Hi everyone, my name is Lakshika Senaviratna, student ID number 1637127. I'll be starting off our group presentation where we'll be talking about an analysis of a business leader. And we chose Elon Musk, the founder of Tesla for that matter. Hope you all enjoy our presentation. In this presentation, my part focuses on very first two bullet points given to us. In the first slide, I have outlined potential positive and negative leadership traits of Elon Musk. Under the positive traits, you can say strong vision, resilience, innovation, and risk taking. And as for the negative traits, there are autocratic leadership, intensive goal setting, and dominant personality. Move on to the next slide. I have categorized positive and negative traits as strengths and weaknesses of the leader. If I talk about positive traits that can be considered as a strength of the leader, I would say strong vision, excellent communication skills, innovations, and self motivation. Because these positive traits drive organizational success by aligning team, fostering creativity, and finally achieving organizational goals effectively. On the other hand, negative traits such as his dominant personality, limited focus on employees, and the imbalance between the task and relationship could become weaknesses of him. These weaknesses can be created in disengaged workforce, hinder collaboration, employee burnout, and finally result in high employee turnover. However, there are some positive and negative traits which can be considered as both strengths and weaknesses. To clarify my answer, these positive strengths of resilience, assertiveness, risk taking, and intrinsic motivation can become a weakness if they lead to overconfidence, setting unrealistic goals without considering the broader impact on the organization. On the other hand, negative weaknesses such as autocratic leadership style, intensive goal setting, micromanaging tendencies, and perfectionism can drive high standards, ensure accountability, and achieve consistent result in high pressure situations. That's the end of my part. My teammates will continue the presentation from now on. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Susan Shrestha and my student number is 1637623. So I'm gonna talk about Elon Musk's cognitive style. Elon Musk's cognitive style revolves around thinking holistically and strategically. He is also known for using first principle thinking, where he breaks down complex problems to their fundamental truth and then builds solutions from the ground up. This allows him to innovate in fields like space travel, electric cars, and renewable energy, often challenging established norms. He also has a big picture vision, seeing not just what's possible today, but imagining how technology can shape the future. Mox is not afraid of taking risks. He takes bold bets on projects that other might consider too ambitious or even impossible. Mock's work ethic is legendary. He is known for working extremely long hours and being deeply involved in all day-to-day operation of his companies. When it comes to problem solving, Mox is incredibly innovative. He looks for creative solutions that others might look overlook, constantly challenging the status quo and thinking outside the box. His ability to combine technical expertise with how Elon Musk lead and work with varied personality traits. Mox inspired his team by providing a clear, compelling vision of the future, and this sense of purpose motivates individuals, aligning their personal goal with the company mission and giving them direction and confidence to take initiative. Mox lead by demonstrating hard work, innovation, and commitment. He is known for his hand-on involvement in projects, and that is how he lead by example. Mox tackles directly and transparently. He addresses issues head on with clear communication, focusing on solution rather than emotion, which fosters a culture of openness and problem solving within the team, which helps in handling conflict. He also encourages autonomy and responsibility, where he trusts his team to take ownership of their work and solve problems independently. By empowering individuals with autonomy, he fosters innovations and instills a sense of responsibility, motivating them to perform at their highest potential.
Hi, my name is Ravneet and my student number is 1640123. Elon Musk considers as a communication champion. As a leader, Elon Musk gave great importance to communication. According to him, successful completion of work depends on effective communications between employees and management. In current system of communication, information travels a long way from an ordinary employee to the head of department. Musk considers this system inefficient as the information can get distorted. Over the chain and advises organizations to consider building efficient internal channels of communication. Must communication skill to influence and persuade others. Must keep an open and transparent communication with his employees and stakeholders. He shares advancements in technology, business, and future plans through platforms like Twitter, rebranded as X. It creates a sense of belief and transparency among stakeholders. He also empowers his employees by entrusting them to develop new technologies in vehicle and solar energy sector. He delegated authority and pursued his Tesla employees to take initiative. He empowers them to take ownership of their work and find best possible solution to difficult problems such as he entrusts his Tesla engineers to develop new technologies in electric vehicle and solar energy systems. Thank you.